This is SMO Open 2025, question 15. We are given the equation x cubed plus the cube of 2, x cubed plus x minus 3 equals 3. We are asked to find the value of 2x cubed. Suppose 2x cubed equals 3. Then we substitute into the equation x cubed plus the cube of 2x cubed plus x minus 3 becomes x cubed plus the cube of 3 plus x minus 3, which simplifies to x cubed plus the cube of x equals 2x cubed, which is 3. So 2x cubed equals 3 is a solution. Let f of x be x cubed plus the cube of 2x cubed plus x minus 3. Then f prime of x is 3x squared plus 3 times the square of 2, x cubed plus x minus 3 times 6x squared plus 1. This is always greater than or equal to 0 and strictly positive unless x equals 0. Therefore, f is strictly increasing, which means the solution is unique. Final answer, 2x cubed equals 3. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this solution, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.